You need to watch this if you struggle with managing your finances. Welcome to Expression Emporium channel, taking control of your money, the basics. Debt management and credit repair. These sound complicated, right? Don't worry, they're not as scary as you think. Debt management is about taking control of your money. It means getting out of debt and staying out of debt. Credit repair is about fixing your credit score. A good credit score saves you money. Why are these things important? Because being in control of your money is life-changing. It reduces stress. It gives you peace of mind. It lets you live the life you want. In this video, we'll break down these topics into simple, easy-to-understand steps. We'll give you the tools you need to achieve financial freedom. Are you ready to take charge of your money? Let's do it. Why are there not more people talking about the difference between debt management and credit repair? Welcome to our video on mastering debt management and credit repair, your path to financial freedom. Understanding the nature of your debt can make a significant difference in your financial health. Not all debt is created equal. Some debts can actually work in your favor, while others can be detrimental to your financial stability. There's good debt and bad debt. Knowing the difference is crucial for making informed financial decisions and ensuring long-term prosperity. Good debt helps you build wealth. It's the kind of debt that can lead to financial growth and stability over time. An example is a mortgage on a rental property. This type of debt is considered good because it can appreciate in value and generate rental income. This debt is an investment that generates income. By renting out the property, you can cover the mortgage payments and even make a profit. Bad debt, on the other hand, costs you money. It's the kind of debt that drains your resources and offers no financial return. Think credit cards and payday loans. These types of debt often come with high interest rates and fees that can quickly spiral out of control. They trap you in a cycle of high interest and fees. This makes it difficult to pay off the principal amount, leading to a never-ending cycle of debt. How do you tackle debt? It's essential to have a strategy in place to manage and eventually eliminate your debt. There are two popular methods: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. Each method has its own advantages and can be effective depending on your financial situation. The debt snowball focuses on paying off the smallest debts first. This method helps build momentum and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you eliminate smaller debts. This creates momentum and keeps you motivated. Seeing your debts disappear one by one can be incredibly encouraging. The debt avalanche tackles the debt with the highest interest rate first. This method can save you money in the long run by reducing the amount of interest you pay. This saves you money in the long run. By focusing on high-interest debt, you reduce the total amount paid over time. Choose the method that resonates with you. Whether you prefer the quick wins of the debt snowball or the long-term savings of the debt avalanche, the key is to stay committed. The most important thing is to have a plan and stick to it. Consistency and dedication to your debt repayment strategy will lead you to financial freedom. For more life-changing insights, be sure to subscribe to Expression Emporium. Now let's get back to your journey toward financial freedom and a better life. Crushing your debt-proven strategies. In this section, we will explore effective methods to help you manage and eliminate your debt. Ready to crush your debt? Let's dive into some practical steps you can take right now. It starts with a budget. Creating a budget is the foundation of any successful financial plan. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It helps you allocate your income towards expenses, savings, and debt repayment. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Track your spending meticulously. You need to know where your money is going. This awareness is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a pen and paper. Choose the method that you find most convenient and easy to stick with. The key is to find a system that works for you. Consider debt consolidation as a viable option. This combines multiple debts into one monthly payment, often with a lower interest rate. It simplifies your payments and can save you money. Don't be afraid to negotiate with creditors. Open communication can lead to better terms and lower payments. You can often lower your interest rates or monthly payments. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better you can manage your finances. The more you understand your finances, the better equipped you'll be to take control. Stay informed, stay proactive, and stay positive. You got this. Your credit score. What it means and why it matters. Understanding your credit score is essential for managing your financial health. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. It's a snapshot of your financial reliability. It tells lenders how risky it is to lend you money. Essentially, it's a measure of trust. A higher credit score means lower interest rates and better loan terms. This can save you thousands of dollars over the life of a loan. Several factors affect your credit score. These include your payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit. Payment history is the most important, followed by amounts owed. Credit history length, credit mix, and new credit also play a role. Each of these factors contributes differently to your overall score. Debt impacts your credit score significantly. Managing debt responsibly is crucial. High credit card balances can lower your score, even if you make payments on time. Keeping balances low is key. Keeping your debt low is crucial for a healthy credit score. Regularly monitoring your credit report can help you stay on track. Your credit score is a big deal. It's more than just a number. It's a reflection of your financial habits. It affects your ability to rent an apartment, buy a car, and even get a job. Employers and landlords often check credit scores. A good credit score can open doors to better opportunities. Make sure you understand it and take steps to improve it. Regularly review your credit report, pay your bills on time, and manage your debt wisely. Fixing your credit, step by step. Credit repair isn't about magic tricks. It's about taking responsibility and making positive changes. The first step is to get a copy of your credit report. You can get a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus annually. Review your report carefully for any errors. Dispute any inaccuracies with the credit bureaus. This can be a lengthy process, but it's worth it. Building positive credit takes time. Start by paying your bills on time, every time. Keep your credit card balances low. Consider a secured credit card if you're starting from scratch. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Be patient, persistent, and stay focused on your goal of a healthy credit score. Watch out for scams. Protect your money. Be wary of credit repair scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. No one can legally remove accurate negative information from your credit report. They also can't guarantee a specific credit score increase. Legitimate credit counseling agencies can provide helpful advice and resources. They can help you create a budget, negotiate with creditors, and develop a debt management plan. Remember, you have the power to repair your credit yourself. Educate yourself, be patient, and avoid any company that promises quick fixes or asks for upfront fees. Financial tools for success. Use them wisely. There are many financial products available to help you manage your debt and improve your credit. High-yield savings accounts offer higher interest rates, helping you grow your money faster. Debt management plans, or DMPs, consolidate your debts and offer lower interest rates. Credit counseling agencies can provide valuable guidance and support. They can help you create a realistic budget, negotiate with creditors, and develop a personalized debt management plan. Remember, these tools are most effective when used responsibly. Do your research, compare options, and choose the tools that align with your financial goals. Budgeting is your secret weapon. It is the cornerstone of financial success. It's the key to crushing debt, building wealth, and achieving your financial dreams. Remember, a budget is not about restricting your spending. It's about giving you permission to spend on the things that matter most. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. Set realistic financial goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or retiring early, having clear goals will keep you motivated. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Life is constantly changing, and your budget should reflect those changes. Long-term financial health planning for the future. Debt management and credit repair are crucial steps towards financial freedom. But what comes next? It's time to think about your long-term financial health. Building an emergency fund is essential. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will protect you from unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Retirement planning is another crucial aspect of long-term financial health. The earlier you start, the better. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and consider opening an IRA. Insurance, protecting what matters most. Insurance is often overlooked but is crucial for protecting yourself and your loved ones. Health insurance protects you from potentially devastating medical expenses. Life insurance provides financial security for your dependents in case of your death. Disability insurance replaces a portion of your income if you become unable to work. Don't wait until it's too late. Evaluate your insurance needs and get adequate coverage. Congratulations! You've taken a significant step towards financial freedom by learning about debt management, credit repair, and long-term financial planning. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, stay focused, and celebrate your progress along the way. By implementing the strategies and tips outlined in this video, you can achieve your financial goals and live a life of abundance. You've got this. Now go out there and take control of your financial future. Take control of your finances, manage debt effectively, and maintain a healthy credit score. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable content. Thank you for watching.